Welcome to CelebXplore Hub, your go-to channel for the latest updates on all things celebrity lifestyle and trends. Today, we dive into a surprising venture by none other than the Duchess of Sussex herself, Meghan Markle. But what exactly is she up to now? Stay tuned as we uncover the latest buzz surrounding Meghan's ambitious business move. Meghan Markle, known for her roles in both the royal family and Hollywood, is expanding her horizons yet again with a new lifestyle brand, American Riviera Orchard. But it's not just any brand, it's a venture into the pet food market. Yes, you heard that right. The Duchess is targeting everything from birdseed to edible pet treats, as revealed in trademark documents filed recently. From bath soaps to yoga blankets, curtains to ketchup, Meghan's brand is set to offer a diverse array of products. But what's particularly intriguing is her foray into the pet food industry, a move that's caught the attention of many, especially considering the connections to James Middleton's upscale dog food brand, Hello Ella. This isn't Meghan's first rodeo in the business world. Previously known for her lifestyle blog, The Tig, Meghan seems to be extending her influence into a new realm. With plans for a cooking series on Netflix and accompanying merchandise, including jams and utensils, the Duchess is making waves in the entrepreneurial sphere. But what does this mean for Meghan's royal ties? Some speculate that commercializing her royal connections might breach agreements with the royal family. Nonetheless, Meghan seems undeterred, with plans to focus on home, garden, food, and lifestyle wares. Despite the buzz around her business ventures, Meghan has remained relatively quiet in the public eye since stepping back from royal duties. However, recent events such as her condemnation of online abuse and her father-in-law's public appearance amidst health concerns keep her in the spotlight. And there you have it, folks, the latest scoop on Meghan Markle's bold move into the pet food market with American Riviera Orchard. What do you think of her new venture? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more celebrity updates. Until next time, this is CelebXplore Hub signing off.